Here you can see we are in the index, our home page, right? Our project home page. And here you can see we have two product. But if I go to the category table, here you can see we have multiple categories. So actually I want to fetch them here at the top. And I want that people actually can, select the category, and the category wise product will be shown here. So how to do this? So let me show you. Here you can see my header actually contain, shown as display flex, right? Here you can see display flex, and I have said that justify content space between. So we have only two section in the header. One is for the shop, one is for the navbar, this navbar. So if you add any UL or any div here, it will actually show, it will be shown in the mid center of the div, or what can I say, center of the header, because I have used justify space between. Okay. And so I will actually use here all the links. So let's say just only use one link. So I want to actually fetch all the data, right? So I will say that dollar SQL underscore category, let's say category. So I'll say here the query, and the query is select star from products, sorry, category, right? Select star from category. Actually, I want to copy it, paste it here, and I will say result category. This will be SQL category. So let me paste it here. And the query will be executed here, and I will actually go here at the header and here. Okay. Here I want actually fetched. So I will actually, yeah, say that PHP uh, this syntax, and I'm going to say here while. Okay. And I want to close this second bracket for the while here. Okay. And here for the while, actually, I want to set a parameter that is dollar row category. Let's say CATE category is equal to. I want to actually fetch all the data as associative array. So I will say here mysql fetch as SO. Okay. And I want to actually pass the query result. So I will go here and the result, category result. Okay. Copy it and let's go here and paste here dollar result category. And actually, I want to show here all the category. So I will say here underscore PHP, sorry, PHP script, and here and here the echo dollar row underscore category column name. So the column name is category name, right? Let's go here, and here you can see we have category name. Really, we are actually going to show here, and the reference. Okay, let's say the reference will be the same page. So it actually redirect to the same page. So index.php. Okay, index.php. And if somebody click here, okay, and we'll actually contain the name also. Why? Let me say you. So actually, I want to show the item, all the items which actually containing the category, same category. Let's say I have mouse. So when I click on mouse, it will actually only show the mouse products, mouse related products. It will not show the first one. Okay. So that's why actually I have to pass the, when somebody actually click on the let's say any category, that time actually I want to pass the category name also in the URL, so that actually I can get the result here at the top, and I will actually search through the name, okay, in the query. So let me show you step by step, so you will understand, don't worry. So here let me just pass the category name. So I will say here that okay, I want a category name, category, category underscore name, the variable. Okay, and here actually I'm going to pass it. Okay, let me show you like this and copy. Actually I want to paste it here. Okay, so here you can see I'm passing the name also here. So we have index. Okay, done. Okay, and I need a category name. So let me just remove the space, white space from here. Okay, and now let's say let's check if it is working. So I will go here and I will refresh. Oh, so here you can see MySQL fetch ASOC and MySQL fetch ASOC argument one result must be type of boolean given. Oh, bro, our table name was categories, right? So this is the problem. So the table name is cat. Okay, now let's check. Here you can see we got three category here, and let's say I want to click on keyboard and I will click on mouse, and here you should focus on the URL. So let me show you. Here you can see I got the name also, right, in the URL. So why I need the name? Because when somebody actually click on keyboard, so I will actually query through the category name and I will fetch it here. Okay, that is the reason actually. So now let's see how I can actually do this. So it will actually redirect to the same page, right? So I will go here at the top and I will uh, let's say okay. So I'll say here that okay, I want to check that if is set the function, and I want to say here that if we set let me just say like this. Okay, if we set dollar underscore the super global variable get, and we want to actually get the ID here, so I will go at the bottom, and here from the UL I want the ID actually I'm passing. Okay, so here in the link, okay, you can see category name. So let me just copy this name, Control C you can press, and here I'm going to paste it. So Control plus P. So I'll check that if we set any category name, so we will actually get the category name. So I say here category in name, okay, is equal to actually I want to paste it. Have not enough time. Okay, to write down everything. So now actually I'm going to do query through the result. I mean through this variable category name. Okay, from the product table actually. So I will say here the SQL product category. CATEGOR category. Okay. Uh, so here I will say that okay, I want to set that select star from. Okay, so select star from product. Okay, select start from product. Fire. Uh, Let me just go to the product table, products table, and here you can see we have category name. So I will search through the category name. Name is equal to is equal to dollar category name. Okay, the variable. Okay, so I'm passing the variable. So let's start from category. Products. So it is product or products. Products as products where category name is equal to category name. So now actually I want to execute the query like this. So I will say copy it, and I want to actually paste it here. So I will say SQL result. I will say that result product category is equal to, actually I'm going to copy this one and I want to paste it here. Okay, so we are fetching it. Okay, and here I will go at the bottom, write it like this PHP. Okay, and I will say that if I will say that if dollar category, okay, then actually I'm going to use here while loop. So yeah, like this. So I will say here that okay, so let's say while will actually set dollar low product category uh, is equal to, I'll say that MySQLi fetch as so, and I will pass the result here, result product category here. Okay, and we will actually say like this. Okay, and here I'm going to paste it once again. The problem here. Okay, we have to close it here. I mean, we have to close the PHP here. So like this. Sorry. Okay, and we have to start here PHP and add like this. Okay, I have to give here also. Now let's check at first. So let me just, if I click on keyboard, there is nothing. If I click on mouse, okay, so here you can see I'm getting the mouse. Okay, the problem is actually we are, we have not changed it here. Echo. So you have to, copy it. Let me just copy it. And here, here, and here. Want to paste. If I refresh. Let's say I want to go for mouse. So here you can see the category name mouse is actually existing here. So the problem is actually I have you know uh, page as normal value. Okay, I mean all the products and actually search through the product name also. So that's actually it's showing me multiple times. I mean 2 times. Okay, so we shouldn't do this. So let me just remove any of them. So let me just remove this one. So I will actually go here at the top and I will say that if dollar get category name, okay, then we will actually do this. You will see here else, okay, yes. So okay, okay, and let's say one. Sit here. So this is SQL, and actually I want to set the SQL here and uh, get bit. So actually I want copy it. Right. Actually I want to copy it and I want to paste it here. And here the result product category. So let me just copy it. And I want to start here. I want to know the product category right here. Yes. And we will actually show here all the product. Here. Sorry, here. Okay. So we are getting, we need to remove it. When you move it, so we have while loop here. So I will actually go here, top, while. Uh, okay. I need to just remove this one. Okay. So everything is done. I hope. Now let's go for the browser and refresh. So now you can see, and if I click on mouse, you can see we have here like this. If I click on smartphone, we have nothing to show. If we click on keyboard, we have nothing to show. But if we click on mouse here, you can see we have two product as category mouse, right? Category mouse, okay. So we are successful, right? Okay. And let's say I want to go for the shop, and when I go for the shop, it will actually show all the product. So I hope you understand. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.